Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2016 CSAT question number 52 from question paper series A. The total emoluments of two persons are the same, but one gets allowances to the extent of 65% of his basic pay and the other gets allowances to the extent of 80% of his basic pay. The ratio of the basic pay of the former to the basic pay of the latter is. So here there are two persons, person 1 and person 2. They are getting equal amount of emoluments. So emoluments of 1 equal to emoluments of 2. Then it is said that person 1 getting 65% of his basic pay as allowances and person 2 getting 80% of his basic pay as allowances. Let us consider basic pay of person 1 equal to B1 and basic pay of person 2 equal to B2. Then total emoluments of person 1 equal to basic pay plus 65% of basic pay as allowances. This is the total emoluments of person 1, which is equal to basic pay of person 2 plus 80% of basic pay as allowances. This is the total emoluments of person 2. These are equal. Now, basic pay of 1 plus 65% we can write as 65 by 100 B1. Similarly here B2 plus 80 by 100 B2. Now let us take this B1 is common in both these, so we take B1 common. 1 plus 65 divided by 100 equal to B2 into 1 plus 80 divided by 100. Here I took B2 common, then 1 plus 80 divided by 100. Then after simplifying this, B1 into, by simplifying this 100 plus 65 divided by 100. So 165 divided by 100 equal to B2 into 180 divided by 100. So here we have to find basic pay of first person to the basic pay of the second person. So B1, I am taking this B2 here, then it becomes divided by B2 equal to 180 divided by 100. I am taking this 100 to the right side, then it becomes multiplied by, then I am taking this 165 to the right side, it becomes divided by, then 100 gone, 180 by 165, we get 12, 15 are 12 into 15 divided by 11 into 15. So we get 12 by 11. Therefore, the ratio of basic pay of 1 to basic pay of 2 equal to 12 is to 11. Our answer is option D, 12 is to 11. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.